Hi. In this video, we will guide you through the process of requesting a contract from the client portal. As a client, use the provided link by the administrator to access the client portal. Log in using your credentials or sign up if you don't have an account. After signing in, you will be directed to the client portal home page. Here, you can search for contract requests or click on the necessary category to select the request you want to send. You have the option to draft a contract from a template or upload a document for review. To use drafting a contract from a template, select the template you want based on the contract type. Then fill in a questionnaire and submit your request once done. When using the Upload Contract for Review method, you can select from a list of predefined requests and fill out the necessary fields accordingly. These predefined contracts are configured within the client portal settings in the system. Let's consider an example of a non-disclosure agreement. For this request, you would specify the contract name and the parties involved. Additionally, you'll need to provide the contract date, start and end dates, and any other related details. You also have the option to attach the contract at the end of the process. These fields may vary depending on the request types. The new contract has been successfully created. The legal team will receive the request and commence collaboration on the contract, similar to any other contract in the system. You can view all your contract-related information, including the general details, status, and more. The requester can easily communicate with the concerned parties by adding comments through the Notes section. Additionally, they can attach any files to their comments for further clarity or reference. You can also review the contract as it is and upload any additional necessary documents in the Attachments tab. Furthermore, the requester can review the approvers and signers from the Approval and Signature Centers, respectively. In addition to tracking all the added milestones, you can also add a new milestone if needed. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com. Thank you.